Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming your display is actually 3840 by 2160, so the image will match pixels. This prevents scaling blur. Next, pick a high-quality PNG or JPEG with a long edge between 3000 and 8000 pixels so details remain sharp. Once done, create a dedicated Wallpapers folder and name files logically to avoid confusion. This saves time when switching images and prevents accidental compression. Make sure file sizes aren't absurdly. You now apply the image and choose how it fills the screen. On Windows, go to Settings, Personalization, Background and Test Fill, Fit or Center so you avoid cropping key details. On Mac OS, open System Settings, pick Wallpaper and use Fill Screen for edge-to-edge coverage. Once done, verify display scaling is set to native or 100% so the wallpaper aligns with UI scaling. If multi-monitor, assign per display images, and make sure the GPU isn't forcing additional scaling that changes sharpness. You finish by setting a slideshow or scheduled rotation if you want variety. Pick only 4K images to keep consistency. For multi-monitor spans, consider a dedicated app that handles bezel correction and per-screen placement. Once done, test boot and user switch to confirm persistence. If the wallpaper looks blurred, stop and recheck the file resolution and OS scaling, and disable any display compression or automatic image optimization. This single troubleshooting step solves most sharpness and alignment problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.